Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a video that I've been putting off for about 3 days now. Not really sure how I wanted to approach it, so I thought I would just do kind of a face-to-face video for you guys, especially newer viewers who are looking into getting a Glowforge. This is going to be the thing that affects you guys the most. Everybody who already has a Glowforge already might be aware of this, and it's not really going to affect them unless they're going to get another Glowforge here in the future. So I thought I owed it to you guys, especially newer viewers and potentially subscribers, and I would really appreciate it if you follow along and subscribe here. But as of 3 days ago, Glowforge announced that they're going to increase their prices. And it's a pretty significant increase. It's $1,000 plus shipping on all three models. And that's already with the other increase of the basic that they did a little while ago. So I'm going to go over the prices really quick with you guys. If you can get a Glowforge before the 25th of March, though, their prices are still the same. So if you can get it before March 25th, 2022, I would jump on one now while you can. And also remember to use a referral link. If you want to use mine, I'll have it in the description below. Otherwise, anybody who uses a Glowforge, if you have a friend, they have a referral link too. So just make sure you use a referral link regardless. If you use mine, I appreciate it. Put it back into the channel, and I would appreciate you following along with us along the way. You'll learn all sorts of tips and tricks from me. I do tutorial videos and other things. So let's jump into the real reason you're here and you want to know the price increases. So as of right now, the basic is going to be $4,000 or $3,995. I'm just going to round up to make it easier. So that's going to be $4,000 plus $350 shipping. So they're not doing free shipping anymore either. The basic was originally, when it launched, around $2,400. Then they increased it to $3,000. Now it's to $4,000. The plus is now $5,000 plus the $350 shipping. And then the Pro is now going to be $7,000 plus the $350 shipping versus the $6,000 it was originally. So I want to throw that out there. One other thing that I want to let you know of is the air filter price is increasing too. The air filter price is going to be $1,300 and then $250 shipping. I'm going to tell you my thoughts and inputs on which one I would recommend. They are pretty much the same as it always has been, even with the price increase. The things that I would recommend, I would either go with a basic or a pro. I would not go for a plus. It just does not offer the value. The only thing that really is getting offered in that is an extended warranty a little bit. But if you're going to get a good machine, you're going to get a good machine and it's going to last you a long time. If you're going to get a bad machine, it's going to be within that first 6 months window anyways, based on what I've seen. There's always that chance that something may break in between, but I do not recommend a plus whatsoever. I would probably go with the basic or the pro model. And the basic can do pretty much everything the pro can do. The pro is basically if you're going to do longer sheets. So like if you need that pass through, then go with a pro. That's the only option that you're going to have in order to use that pass through, like a true pass through. Now the air filter, I would not get the air filter either. As you could see with my previous videos, the only reason why I'd get an air filter is if you absolutely have no window to do it in, and if you're only going to use it for acrylic. If you use it for wood or draft board, it's going to fill up extremely fast. You're going to have to pay another $250 for a new cartridge if that's still the current price. I didn't check the cartridges out, but they were already kind of expensive. I wouldn't recommend one of those, honestly. That's just my opinion. I'm trying to be as real with you guys as possible here and get this information out to you guys because I figured I owed it to the whole community for you guys to know about it. But yeah, other than that, it's been Josh with Fresh Start Customs. I hope that you guys were able to get one before the 25th, and if you weren't, it is still a good machine. The product that I have, the thing that I like about Glowforge over some other lasers is the fact that you don't have to adjust the mirrors yourself. You do have to clean some mirrors granted, but you don't have to actually adjust it. It auto focuses. So I think that's the one real good advantage it has over other machines. The one disadvantage is it is online based, but nowadays you're pretty much always online anyways. But take it for what it's worth. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this helped you guys out. I hope to have another tutorial video out and a more uplifting video and good news next time around. But other than that, it's been Josh with Fresh Start Customs, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.